Hey guys, so I just thought put a video up about this because I just did an article on medium.com. Now I put a link for these dog breeding secrets, where basically you can make a if you're already breeding dogs and you want to take it to the next level and make a full-time job out of it, I suggest you go and have a look at this course, this website, this program. Now I am an affiliate partner for this company, but it's totally legit, and hey, why not try and make a living out of it if you're already doing it? So this could be the go-to place. What I will do is, like I said, I'll put a link to the website, to the program. Now this program obviously does cost money, and I'll run you through it, and I'll scroll through it. I'll read a bit of it and I'll scroll through it. You guys can mainly read this in your own time, or you can just skip, go to my link and check it out yourselves. But I'll quickly, go through the main bits anyway. First practical step-by-step roadmap for dog breeding success, no matter what you choose. 100% guarantee, so there is a guarantee with it. Inside dog breeding secrets, including how to get started quickly and easily, how the creator of this program made $120,000 last year breeding dogs. That's American dollars, so if you're not in, I'm in New Zealand, so that's over 200,000 New Zealand dollars, so it's not bad. The valuable time-saving shortcuts they created, so you don't have to learn by trial and error. Step-by-step dog breeding guides and videos, private coaching and support from dog expert breeders and veterinarians. To people who want to be a successful breeder but can't get started, here's your chance to be a successful breeder now. Are you serious about becoming a successful dog breeder? Then here's an amazing opportunity to become one. Allow me to introduce the creator of this program. He is Dave Mudge. He's been a dog breeder for more than 20 years now. Chances are you haven't heard of him before, but when you finish reading this, you'll be glad you finally did. Last year, he recently made a whopping $120,000 in breeding dogs by following some simple yet powerful concepts they're about to share with you. Now, don't worry about this, guys. You can read through it in your own time. It is on video, so there's no worries. If you don't want to listen to me blabbering on, you just turn off the sound and read it yourselves. Okay, so we all know that dog breeding is a science. It's a science. Dog breeding, if you know the secrets and correct steps and procedures, then you end up with the desired result. But here's the problem: breeding being a science, one wrong step could mean disaster. In fact, 87% of breeders do it wrong, basically. I'm just paraphrasing here. Some of the wrong steps they take results to: failure to recognize heat, missing the fertile date or period of the bitch, not knowing the perfect date for mating, unsuccessful mating of the dog, stud dog cannot go into lock, false pregnancy of the bitch, miscarriage of the bitch, puppy dies during whelping. Puppies are weak and sickly. Puppies are not sold before the age of 5 months. This is just a partial list of problems and headaches relating to breeding that they can save you from. This is how it's done. Here is the cookbook. Just follow along and learn. There are a load of gimmicks out there, but dog breeding secrets is no gimmick. They're for real. Dog breeding secrets is a proven breeding formula success that is visible, logical, and most importantly, repeatable. It took Dave years to experiment and get the best possible results. With the years of experience in breeding dogs, he will show you how you too can be a successful breeder regardless of what breed you choose, and also earn big money like he does. It doesn't matter if you own a large breed dog or a small one, the information is, in some cases, shocking. You'll be saving time and money avoiding mistakes in disastrous situations and learning secrets other breeders only wish they knew. Sorry, I missed an S out there. Join now and have instant access. So this is some of what you get in the program. Dog breeding library of tips, techniques and secrets. Discover all the secrets to dog breeding created by the world's top dog breeders. So you have access to all the world's top breeders. We've left no stone unturned in helping you achieve dog breeding success. Learn kept secrets such as how to get started faster, how to get started breeding, and how to get a litter of desirable pups faster than you ever thought possible. Secrets to finding the perfect breed of dog to suit you and your situation for maximum enjoyment and profit. Preparation made easy. How to set up your home for breeding, what to feed both adult and pups, how to make them comfortable and productive for you. Mating best practices, how to find the perfect mate and ensure you get a litter of beautiful puppies first time every time. Breeding mistakes to avoid, learning from my years of experience of Dave's years of experience. And make sure you get it right instead of risking everything by going it alone. Puppy Sales 101. How to get the absolute best price for your pups. Secrets of selling puppies for profit without becoming a puppy mill breeder. Frankly, there's too much to list here. Our guide was a labour of love which I created to make sure you easily become a successful dog breeder without the steep learning curve that he went through. It's frequently asked questions, so there's quite a lot here, so I'll just scroll down, guys, and like I say, you can have a look yourselves. How to start, how to minimize vet fees and costs, dog breeding videos. So you'll get dog breeding videos as well. For example, mating made easy, how to tell what signs to look for that she's pregnant, what to expect when your dog is expecting, puppy midwifery. You will also get 24-hour access to a registered breeder. Look over the shoulder of an expert. So you can sort of follow along and consult the videos. Gain the benefits of their years of experience. You can ask breed-specific questions. Every top sportsman and woman has a coach who they can turn to. 24 access to a qualified vet. Picture it, there's a problem which has concerned you and you'd like to, so you can call them up any time. Straight up, no nonsense advice, strictly layman's terms only. Never take any chances with your dog. So there you go, guys. And I'll leave a link below for this, like I say. Good luck. I would say that if you're already breeding dogs, why not, try and make some money out of it. If you're already doing it and you love it, just makes sense.